Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. On this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you're ever in an Infinity War, you might want to bring Thor's Stormbreaker.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I didn't only print one, but I printed 3 of these models. The first one was too small and too fine, and my dad broke it trying to take the supports off. The second one was very large, and my dad broke it trying to take the supports off. The third one was just right. The orange one was printed in CCTREE PLA on the Robo 3D R1 Plus, and the black one was printed in AIO Robotics PLA on the AM8. All 3 of these were printed with a 210-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This is Thor's Stormbreaker by ASkewedView 3D, and ASkewedView 3D does 3 models a week. There'll be a link to this in the description. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone! So this joke was sent in by Apocalypse Survivor. What did the 0 say to the 8? Nice belt.